Oh, Mamas, move your heads back. Sweet thing.
Can you give us a kiss? Oh, wait, let me get that.
Ah!
Can you give us a kiss?
Oh my gosh, so cute. Y'all say cheese. Wes. Hey, baby. So sweet. I want to put them on the floor together.
Oh, they love this. Hey, buddy. Do you see Jane? Do you see her? Isn't she pretty?
She is pretty.
Isn't she pretty?
See, but I'm handsome.
She is just gorgeous.
I'm getting in your way, Libby. I'm sorry.
I love your bows. We love bows.
Hey, guys.
Jane. Jane. It's called a
Jane.
little girl.
Jane.
A year and a half. That's the next youngest America. But she's a little blonde girl. I believe she looks like her mama.
I know.
I believe she looks like her mama.
Sweet babies.
Look at her posing with the kid.
What's her place name?
I'm not sure yet. We just got it.
Oh, okay.
She said no. For her pig-themed birthday party.
Do you have something nice to say? Huh? Look at that stance.
I know. What's she doing?
She's
ready to pounce. Yes, she is.
Meeting.
Sweet girl. Oh, ooh.
Uh-oh. Oh, wait. Well, where's maybe you should
Is she at that age that they're not there yet, are they? Where they
show
scream?
her one of your toys. Show her one of your toys.
Jane's like, I'll take. Jane's like, I'll take that,
And
please.
I will put that in my mouth.
Look at Wes. He doesn't know what to make of the carpet, I think. Yay! Wes knows about the camera. He's like, I will work it.
We just learned to have your camera. Did you see your mama?
Jane, are you going to walk?
Oh my gosh.
See Wes.
You see how she
Okay, Wes, your turn.
Come on. Come on. Oh, we just go this way. I'm sorry.
Right,
We take the slow route.
He can move, though, Jamie. Look at her.
Any of them are good.
Jane, can you get Sophie? Can you bend down and get Sophie?
Not good.
There you go. I know it.
Would you like to share a treat